I always forget to put gas. It's one of those things where you think like you have like a endless gas. Oh, all right, let's put some gas. The convenience of having a smartwatch. Payment complete. I love this watch. It says I always like the best of the best. I guess this is not working. Let's go with premium then. Well, I'm putting some gas. Let's do a little walk around. Making sure everything is good. It's my little pre-trip. That's it. It was almost empty. Alright, I guess we're full. Please, please don't fall in the paint. Don't fall in the paint. God. I mean, the bike is dirty, but you know. Nope. $21. Almost 5 gallons. Look at me, all crazy on the side of the road, just to make sure that my video is gonna work. Man, I gotta do something else about this. I gotta get another camera. All right, let's go. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you very much. Everything I do is to give you guys some entertainment, so you get away from Netflix a little bit. My videos are pretty long because I talk a lot. I could talk for hours on end and I don't even get tired. My first motorcycle, it was a Kawasaki Ninja 250, 2013. I gotta find that video somewhere in my archives, and I'm gonna put a video here. Hopefully I can find a video.
12 Ninja 250R. About to, kind of nervous. I haven't driven it at all. Brand new of the lot. Come and show them. Let me show them how many miles. All right. Quick start. Sure. All right, it's in neutral. Oh yeah, I forgot it.
When I went into the dealership, I had no clue what I was getting myself into. All I was seeing was a Kawasaki Ninja 250. I was just like, a 250cc bike looks big for me. Like, I mean, how can I ride that thing? I had no idea about how can I even ride that bike. That bike looked so intimidating that just looking at it, I thought it was just gonna bark at me and just eat me alive. Dealership, you know, you gotta go through the paperwork and all, anxiety kicking in. You're so excited about having your new bike. Hey, hold on. I can show my camera is up in level. I just went inside with no experience at all. The last experience that I had before Ninja 250, I get a little paranoid about cutting the grass. Get a rock chipped on me or something. But after the all those dirt bike riding experience that I had pocket bikes. I don't know if you guys know about the 50cc, those little pocket bikes. I used to ride them. And, you know, fast forward, I went into the dealership. I saw the bike, fell in love with it. And I remember just seeing the bike for the first time. And the salesman was asking me if I want to take a test ride. And I said, no, I'm good. I just want to take it home. So you sure? I'm like, well, I didn't want to say yeah. And then I didn't have a motorcycle license at the time. And I just didn't want to get into the, oh, why you don't have a motorcycle license? Blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? I was just a little bit airhead, which at that time I had no experience on a basically sport bike, if you call that a sport bike. You know, it has all the fairings and all the blows and whistles. I took it home. It was raining. Yeah, what's up with me in the rain? I just love the rain. I took it home. It was raining, pouring. I thought it was almost in the middle of a hurricane. I'm not even exaggerating. And when I took it home, the next day was the process. I was on YouTube, how to turn on a carburetor motorcycle. I don't like making video. I don't like talking. When there's a red light, I like to keep it moving, keep the momentum, keep the airflow. You know how boring it is to just sit down and talking? Well, let's let this guy go. Yeah, let him go. People are always in a rush. Look at this. Just let the poor man park his car, his truck. Man, that's a nice truck. People are so impatient. Good, man. You're a good parallel parker. Hey, that scooter. Thumbs up, man. You good. A lot of people don't really like to wave around here. When I started learning how to ride the motorcycle, which I will be making a video about how to ride a motorcycle. I was learning in my parking lot. Just, you know, I had a driveway, small little tiny driveway. I was just doing this circle maneuvers, you know, learning, feeling the weight of the bike. And then I took it down the street, went up and down a couple of times, maybe like 8-9 times, until I feel like feeling the comfort. You know what I mean? Like, hey, I feel comfortable. Let's take it to the real street. I took it to the street. Oh boy, I was stalling in an incline, and you can't really, if you stall in a decline, I don't know what you're doing. I really don't know. You got to be using your engine brake at that time. But that was my hardest problem. The most difficulty I had. The first gear in the 250 is worthless. I think you got to be at third just to, you know, keep on riding. And you know what I mean? Like, you just rev through the gears so fast. And I had the bike actually that was the bike that taught me how to ride on the highway. So, you know, let me not criticize that bike so much. You know, I still love you. You know, after a month that I had it, I just, you know, the 250 is, I don't know how fast of a learner you are, but I outgrew that bike in like 3 weeks. I don't know what's going on. I could have let you. You going forward? Oh, I'm sorry. You know what I mean? I was already ahead. I didn't know what she wanted to do, but you know, you gotta be a good Samaritan. You know, Samaritan in this world. But yes, after I outgrew that bike, the bike I got after the 250 was a Yamaha R6. Oh God, that was a bike. And you know, you think the Ninja 250 is so boring. Then you get into this Yamaha R6. You know, a lot of you riders that still ride the Yamaha R6, the Raven edition, which I'll be posting videos and clips here left and right. You guys know that bike. I miss that bike, but it has so many problems. I got it from Craigslist. It was used. After the 250, I had a Yamaha R6, which I don't recommend a new rider to get a Yamaha R6. It's a very, very powerful bike. And if your throttle response, you're still learning how to ride a bike, the Yamaha R6 will teach you a lesson that I learned the hard way after 2 to 3 months of owning it, which I had it for about a year. That was my first bike, the Ninja 250. But yes guys, I don't want to make this video way too long. My first motorcycle was a Kawasaki Ninja 250, 2012. And again, if you like the video, I don't gotta tell you. And you know, don't be shy, comment below, like and subscribe. With all that being said, thank you for watching. Have a good night. Don't drink and drive.